Before I start this video, I gotta tell you guys a story. When I was 13 and my younger brother was 12, he made friends with a guy on Xbox named Luciano. His Xbox gamer tag was Onacle. O-N-C-L. Every time I walked to my brother's room when I was younger, Onacle would scream at me through the Xbox mic, my little brother would egg him on, and now in 2020, Onacle and I are friends. Onacle, or Luciano, lives out in New York, and he is now a bodybuilder and personal trainer. Luciano offered to train myself and Kearney, my girlfriend, and basically help us switch our entire lifestyle around. So we just finished week 5 of set workouts every week and meal prepping and eating the same foods every week. Obviously, you know, we slip up sometimes. Sorry, Onacle. And it has been absolutely fantastic. Luciano does train people like this. Like, he lives in New York, he makes us meal plans, he makes our workouts, and he keeps tabs on us. He's constantly checking in on us. He's super nice, super professional. He's just been absolutely fantastic to work with. So if you guys are interested in making a change in your guys' life, his information will be down in the description down below. From what I understand, he's pretty affordable, and I bet he might, I don't want to put words in his mouth, but he might give you a little discount if you say that you came from me. Kearney! I'm starting my day off with a shake, and then let's go rebuild this Honda shifter. So here we are in the garage. We're gonna get started by taking apart the center console, removing the stock shift knob. You'll see, it should be a very simple, straightforward job. I forgot one thing inside. It's pretty important too. While we're walking inside, I just wanna let you guys know all of your driveways and jack stands, Boosted John's Beans merch has been ordered. I knew you guys probably placed your orders a while ago, and as you knew going into it, this was a pre-order drop, so you guys order it. As soon as I get all the final orders, close the drop, then I place all the orders, receive all the inventory, then ship it to you guys. I have placed the orders, so the merch is on its way to me. I paid for the faster shipping, so it should be here in the next couple days, hopefully. And as soon as I get it, my priority is to get that out to you guys. That entire day will be spent packing, processing, and shipping those orders to you guys. Anyway, here's the thing I forgot. This is OEM Honda Shin Etsu grease. This is gonna be needed for the shifter rebuild. I'm gonna have to grease it up inside there. You'll see what I'm talking about. And also, this is something I'm gonna show you in another video, but this can be used and should be used to recondition all your rubber seals. I have a feeling some of you guys will like this shift knob. This is a Blackworks Racing weighted shift knob. It just looks very like OEM plus, and I like that it's just gunmetal. It just fits the interior very well. Easy peasy. There's this like white ring. You're supposed to have to pop this up at like 3 different spots or something, and it seems that this has already been popped out. Shift boot is out. There we go. Let's see what this baby looks like. It's pretty yucky, but it doesn't look, it looks a little bad. It looks a little bad. I'm gonna clean that too. That looks yucky. Let me show you guys this. Yeah, there you go. That's a good idea. So we're gonna clean all that out, re-grease it, and then we're gonna install our brand new Honda parts. Ah, there we go. Nice. Yep. Nice. Oh man. Dude. That is like butter. That was necessary. That had to be done. That's so good. To whoever commented, rebuild your shifter, you're welcome. Thank you. Now that the shifter's rebuilt, let's go take it for a drive and see how it feels. Dude, it's like almost too smooth. That's insane. shifter, it feels slightly better. It's not like installing a short shifter where you're like, here's my stock shifter that's all sloppy and long, and then all of a sudden, here's my short shifter that's like, it's not like that. But it definitely does feel more smooth is probably the way to put it. It feels a little bit less notchy than it did before. You know, it used to be like a little bit more like click into gear. Now it kind of just like slides into gear. Slowpoke alert. Guess where we're going, Kearney?
Advanced auto.
Yeah. I gotta drop off some coolant. They won't take coolant, but they'll take oil. All done.
Success?
Yep. Time for Duncan.
Duncan.
The semi-truck, I think the semi-truck thought that I did that on accident. I think he might have been, I think the semi-truck might have been honking at me thinking that I did that by accident and he was trying to save me from crashing into incoming traffic. I just want my Dunkin', bro. We don't discriminate on coffee here on the Boosted John YouTube channel. We're okay with Dunkin'. We're okay with Starbucks. We love Glenview Grind.
That's supporting your local business.
Yes, support local business. What are you going to get, Kearney?
I liked your peppermint mocha.
Oh. That's mine, Kearney. And I just gotta go on them, Kobe.
Oh, Kobe, that's a good one.
Respect. That's good. Something that a lot of US 2000 owners know is that these transmissions, when there's no heat in them, are kind of notchy. It almost feels like they're grinding when they go into gear, which is just something that we all know and we all are fine with. When I was giving you my opinion on the shifter rebuild earlier, it was before there was any heat in the transmission, which is something I overlooked. I should have really been paying attention to that. Now that there's heat in the trans, this shifter feels buttery smooth. Like, this is seriously so much better than I thought it was gonna be. Boys, all you guys leaving comments down below, John's granny shifting, John's granny shifting. Trust me, Boosted John knows how to bang gears, all right? Boosted John knows how to bang gears. Boosted John granny shifts because he doesn't want to hurt his car. I know how to not granny shift. You gotta granny shift once in a while. Yeah, they keep saying that about me. They keep saying, oh, John doesn't know how to shift fast. John doesn't know how to shift fast. All right, first off, I don't shift fast in the Civic because that transmission is about to go. I haven't told you guys that, but that transmission's on its last leg. Also, I tightened the shifter linkage a little bit too tight on the Civic, so it's like I'm shifting in mud, so I can't physically shift that shifter any faster than I do. And this car, I granny shift it because I don't want to hurt it. But just for you guys, I'll give you a few good ones here. Ah! Oh no! All right, try again. See, I can do it. Yeah, grab that one. Nice, perfect.
Dog is not here.
Where's Dog? Wait a second. Dog! Hey! What's up, buddy?
Which one do you want to try first? Cheers. Oh, so good.
Pretty good. Trade?
Yeah, this tastes like chocolate milk.
Oh. This is good.
That's so good.
This is good. This stuff is good.
Here.
This one. That's good.
Hold on, I kind of want another sip of that.
Sorry about this next part of the vlog, Luciano. I swear we've been really good, but this Thanksgiving week is gonna be a little rough in terms of food. So I asked you guys on my Instagram, right here, what you guys thought of the new BRZ. Got a lot of responses. Someone said it looks like a catfish. Kearney said I love you. Love you too. Someone said fire, underpowered and ugly. Looks like a budget Supra. Didn't like it at first, but it's grown on me, but they should have put a turbo on it. Dude, everyone already does that anyway, so. Ugly, interesting. That's fun. If you guys want to be a part of things like this in the future, follow my Instagram. I'm going to do more of this, especially with Vlogmas coming up. I kind of have to rely on you guys for some content, so that'll be fun. My take on the new BRZ is that it looks like it might have had a few too many beers over quarantine. Yeah, or B-dubs wings, I guess.
Cheese.
Jeez. Okay, everybody, that was a very, very fun day. Rebuilding the shifter was so easy, and it just makes the car so much more fun to drive. Also, I loved cruising around and joking around. Missing second gear today was so hilarious. Right after I got done talking about how good I am at shifting.
Funny.
Anyway, I got a really fun one coming in the next video. That'll be coming on Friday, so you'll be seeing that very shortly. Again, if you want to make a change in your lifestyle, check out Luciano's information in the description down below. And if you guys like this video, please click that thumbs up. Also, if you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. My glasses are crooked. As I always say, boys, remember to plan, commit, execute, and attain your goals. You want to do it?
Yeah, goodbye.
Okay, bye.